Good Wednesday afternoon to you, and welcome to Whiteboard Weather on YouTube. It is a hump day. It is an Ash Wednesday as well. I hope you're having a great one regardless. Let's talk some weather for today. We got some ground to cover. We got some changing weather, especially for the second half of the upcoming weekend across western Pennsylvania. Thankfully, some much warmer weather will be arriving over the course of the next several days. We're going to do a little bit of a flip of the script because it's certainly been a very chilly start to the month of March. That said, here's a little bit of a breakdown. The big chill so far this March. Typically, climatology says March 1 through the 6th, the average high should be 44 and the average low 27. This March so far, the average high has been 28 and the average low has been 18. So the average high, the actual, is equivalent almost with what the average low climatology-wise should be. That makes sense. So we're running about 12 degrees below average through the first 6 days of the month, and we certainly have time to make up that deficit, and we'll hopefully make it up through the second half of the month. All right, short term here. Quickly want to show you the weather map. It's all quiet here right now. A couple flurries have been flying from time to time today, but it's not much. You'll notice this area of low pressure back north of Chicago and across Lake Michigan. That'll track by to our north. It's a weak area of low pressure, almost a clipper type low that should have minimal impact locally. I think we could squeeze out some flurries, maybe even a light snow shower, but I think in any given spot locally shouldn't be more than a dusting of snow. As you get up maybe closer to the lakeshore, maybe see an inch of snow as you get up into, say, Crawford and Erie County, but even there it's going to be minimal as it passes by. This is first thing tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. You'll notice the lows already passed by. A weak boundary will drift through the area. I think that's any flakes flying at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning won't be around by 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, as high pressure is going to be building in, and that will keep things quiet right through the afternoon and evening. Probably see some breaks of sunshine tomorrow with this high moving across the area into tomorrow evening. Then, as we get into Friday, we talked about this earlier in the week, you'll notice this area of low pressure, that is going to actually pass by and track to the south. We'll skip ahead. This is Friday morning. There's that area of low pressure, flow coming in out of the south. There'll be overrunning moisture of the actual front that will extend all the way up in through the Ohio Valley. But given our proximity or lack thereof to the actual center of low pressure, any precipitation here on Friday will be generally light. I think it's probably going to be in most cases some light snow showers, but as you get south of I-70, specifically in the afternoon as the atmosphere does begin to warm up, I think places like Waynesburg, Uniontown, Morgantown may even sneak in a rain shower or two in the afternoon before the moisture gets squashed down to the south by Friday evening and into Friday night. So let us head to the whiteboard for the outlook for the next several days. We break down your sunrise, sunset times, 6:17, 6:45. Once we spring forward Saturday night, the sunset time is going to skip ahead to about 7:20 in the evening. And of course, we're less than 2 weeks away from the official start of spring, the vernal equinox. I call it the Vern. Your forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy. Again, that light snow shower chance late. 15, the low temperature. Dusting of snow will be possible. And well north of I-80, there could be an inch of snow, but locally just maybe a dusting in some spots. Tomorrow, partly sunny, not as cold. Still chilly though, 32 the high temperature, so we'll get back to freezing. Cloudy and 19 tomorrow night. On Friday, we jump to 38 degrees in the afternoon, but again, the possibility we'll see some light snow showers. Little, if anything, accumulates. Rain shower in the afternoon could be mixed in south of I-70. And we continue to warm it up over the weekend, thankfully. Partly sunny, milder Saturday, 48, and Sunday, 60 degrees. A nice mild day, unfortunately. That also comes with some rain showers the second half of the weekend as well. But it will be 60 degrees, so maybe some shorts I know I'll probably be wearing shorts on Sunday by the end of the weekend. All right, that's going to do it for today. You're up to speed now here on YouTube with Whiteboard Weather. If you're watching NBA tonight on TNT, Shaquille O'Neal celebrates his birthday, so shout out to the Shaq Daddy for his birthday. And today is, in addition to Ash I said that too fast. Ash Wednesday. It is National Oreo Cookie Day, and it's also National Dentist Day. So shout out to your dentist. All right, have yourself a great Wednesday. I'll talk to you tomorrow.